Everyone need Christmas gift, right? A lot of carbon. Dainese, Thailand. I like this one actually, this mesh. And these are some suit collections. If you are looking for suit, the price is around. And this looks good actually. Coming from Honda because it will take some time for them to prepare all the paperwork and all. So anyway, we delivery is already done, but paperwork is not. But we are planning to go to Dainese now, so let's go there because there are a lot of good deals are going on the Dainese. Let's go. Dainese Bangkok. Yeah. So this is actually the December time, Christmas. Everyone need Christmas gift, right? And this Black Friday deals everywhere is going on. Yesterday I went to Alpine Store and I bought one shoe with a good deal. So yeah, let's go, let's see. So hey guys, welcome back to Capdroid. So today actually I came to Dainese, Thailand, and this is new shop they have opened I think 1 year back. So this is actually Black Friday sales are going with the Dainese. So let's check out that what are the deals they have now. So let's go.
मैं मैप पे था।
मैप में था ना, तेरा मैप अलग था, मेरा अलग था।
मैं घुस गया इधर कावासाकी।
अच्छा। See this carbon, man. Z900 they added a lot of carbon. This guy added a lot of carbon. So let's go inside. So they also have Triumph here. Okay. So this is Dainese. Yeah. They are beautiful. All the collection, new collections they have. Leather suits and all, everything. Wow, beautiful looking, right? This is mesh plus leather. This looks beautiful. Let me check the prices and all, everything. I like this one as well. Beautiful. So Dikha, do you have any promotion going on jackets?
I'm not the director, but can you please wait for the door clerk?
Okay, you are a customer here. Okay, sorry. Oh, it's ended?
Ended on the 30th, I think.
Maybe some jackets like sport.
Sport?
Yeah.
Outside.
This is it.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
leather outside.
Here. So these are the prices, right?
Yeah.
No deal now going on?
No.
Okay. Let me check. So I think this deal is already off. So they had some Black Friday deal was going on. This I think already gone. So let me check the prices on all everything. Okay, so this price 8,700. This looks good, right? This one. I like this one actually. This is mesh, not leather, but 16,000 baht. This looks good.
Mate on the beat， 跟不上我的节奏 ，bar flow， 嘴巴闭上，肩膀摇晃的特别一样。你们皱眉，这是被我逐渐带入的迹象。这山谷连从不必让看我逃避，上落地平稳，上在平地。
This one looks good actually for touring. 11,390. Yeah, Gore-Tex will be expensive.
And this is quite thick.
Yeah, this is will be 25,900.
There's an extra layer inside, warm layer.
This is not for Thailand.
Yeah.
So this is the boot collections they have. Beautiful, right? So I bought this one from Alpine Star yesterday. This looks good though. Jacket collections are good. These are the mesh jackets. I like this one actually. And they also have something like this. This is have some cover here. This mesh. This is also mesh, but they have titanium, I guess, cover. And these are some basic jackets. This looks good though. This one. These are starting ranges like 8,000 baht. This looks also good. But I also have the similar kind of jacket from Revit, and the leather collections. These are the leather collections. So this is 40. This is price is around 23,590, but top of that they are giving 20% of discount. So this is good discount actually. The size 48. And these are some suit collections. If you are looking for suit, the price is around 100k. This is 41,920. This is actually good price, man. This 41,000. No, this 76,220. This one. Leather and mesh. This have mesh, and this is leather. This is mesh. This fabric. This is also looks good. 60,000. This one. Beautiful. Some gloves. This one is around, I think, 10,000 baht, 8,000 baht. They also have AGV collections here. Nice. So I'm checking this one actually. This is leather and mesh. This looks good actually. So this is not red. This is orangish red, and this is leather. Looks good, right? And this written Dainese here. The price is 18,000 after discount. So a bit pricier. This is out of my budget, but I found another one that is also very comfortable. This one, this mesh, not leather, but this is, I will try it on. So I like this one actually. This is very comfortable. Try it. This also have the air liner inside. Very good quality, super comfortable. And this is also having 50% discount. Okay, so if I try this one, yeah. So very comfortable. So this is actually, I like it. It's very comfortable. This looks like, and it's matching with, almost matching with my bike. But this is orangey red, not the red. So this looks good actually. And after discount, it is around 5,000 something. 50% discount going on. The quality also very good. Oh, it started raining, man. This is started raining here. Oh. So that's it, guys. This is the Dainese. So they actually end the discount, but still, if you're coming here now, so you can get some discount. You can ask them, and they will give some discount. And yeah, end up buying nothing from Dainese. I liked one with the leather, but it is a bit costly. I do not want to spend that much of money as of now. And also I like another one, but that is almost same as like my last another Revit jacket. Do not want to buy that one. End up buying nothing. So yeah, that's it for today. Now I'm heading to home. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to Capdroid. See you next time with another video. Bye bye.